Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over my top 3 favorite front leg taekwondo kicks. Now let's get started. The first kick is very simple. It's a fast kick or a skipping front leg roundhouse kick, which looks like this. Now, the key to throwing this is making sure that you glide as you throw it, not jump up as you throw it. You want to make sure your footwork is nice and smooth, and when you come up and throw it, you get that nice quick whip with that roundhouse. The second kick is a cut kick, or basically like a skipping side kick. So when you do your cut kick, you kind of come up chambered, you kind of hop for a little bit, and then you extend it into a side kick. It's a little bit different from just a plain skipping side kick. You're more got a little bit of a delay before you lock that out. It's more popular for sport taekwondo sparring. So when you throw it, you come up, hop, boom, and you lock it out as you get close to your opponent. And the final kick is a front leg axe kick. You can do it 2 different ways. You can do it skipping going forward, or you can do it just in place, just picking that leg up. If say your opponent comes in at you, you find an opening, boom, and you can bring down that axe kick. Make sure that you are stretched out before throwing the axe kick, and also the key is making sure you pick that knee up nice and high. If you want to learn any kicks that were thrown in this video, links to my tutorials are in the description box down below. Definitely go check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.